Hello, let me show you how you can test your LCD screen panel on the Redmi 15. So there's actually a hidden menu that will allow you to check if every part of your screen is working properly. So what you have to do is just to start by opening System Settings. There we go. Now we have to go for About Phone. Scroll down for detailed info and specs and keep tapping on this one, kernel version, until we enter this hidden CIT menu. And we can actually do this in the two ways. Over here we got the first test, so we can draw like so, but there's also a second one, the more advanced. So we have to click on the right upper corner and go into the touch panel, and as you can see, now we can test much better. So every edge, every corner, every place, just like this. If I'm gonna swipe like so, and then there will be some kind of the cutout here, it means that this part of the screen is not working properly. But in my case, that's the brand new phone and everything is fine.